Okay, let's see what we have today. Dear Enviropals, my name is Aubrey, and I work at the Nashua National Fish Hatchery in New Hampshire. We raise fish like Atlantic salmon and shad from eggs. We then release these fish back into the New England rivers to replenish them. We would love for you to visit us here at the hatchery so you can learn more about what we do. Your friend, Aubrey.
Hey, Rae Rae, why don't you use the green screen to go visit Aubrey at the fish hatchery?
And we'll stay here in the house tree with the kids and watch your adventure.
That's a great idea, guys. I'm off to the fish hatchery. I'll be back in a flash. Shamingo! Hi, Aubrey. Thank you so much for your tree mail. Is that the Nashua National Fish Hatchery?
Yes, it is, and thank you so much for visiting.
So, Aubrey, what does a fish hatchery do?
Well, Rae Rae, here at the Nashua National Fish Hatchery, we raise Atlantic salmon to be released back into the wild, into the Merrimack River, which runs through New Hampshire. What we do here is spawn adult salmon to make babies, and then we release them at different life stages to go back out into the river.
What kind of fish do you raise here?
Well, here we raise Atlantic salmon, and we also raise American shad.
How many fish do you raise each year?
Well, the Atlantic salmon, we raise about 500,000 fry, or baby salmon. For American shad, again, another 500,000 fry are released each year.
Did you know, boys and girls, that during the life of the Atlantic salmon, not only do they have 6 very distinctive life stages, but they also live in both fresh and salt water? Yup, it's true. During the first part of their lives, they live in the fresh water of streams, rivers, and lakes, where they grow from tiny little eggs into small fish called smolt. During the second stage, these smolt migrate to the ocean, where they grow into mighty adult fish, the average size being about 8 pounds. But some can reach over 30 pounds. Wow! During the last stage, or the third part of their lives, the Atlantic salmon will return to the fresh water they grew up in and spawn, or lay eggs. This starts the cycle all over again. Wow, what an amazing journey! Okay, back to Aubrey and the Nashua National Fish Hatchery. Wow, that's a lot of fish! Aubrey, why is it important for the environment to have a fish hatchery?
Well, here in New Hampshire, the Merrimack River was almost depleted of the Atlantic salmon. It's important because Atlantic salmon spend part of their life cycle in the ocean. So that brings ocean nutrients back up river and restores nutrients to the river for other fish and invertebrates to live off of.
So, where do the fish go when they're released?
When we release our fish, they're usually fry, or very small babies, and we release them up in the small streams and creeks very far upriver. And the goal is for them to go downstream into the ocean as they grow. And then they would come back as adults after spending 2 years in the ocean, go back up fish ladders, past dams, to make it to their natal streams, spawn naturally, producing another wild population.
Wow, Aubrey, that sure was fun learning about the Nashua National Fish Hatchery. But it's getting late, and I need to get back to Naturia. I can't wait to tell all my friends about the fish hatchery. Okay, I better get going. Bye, Aubrey.
Bye, Rae Rae. Thanks for visiting.
And thank you so much for inviting us to the Nashua National Fish Hatchery. See you next time. Shabingo!